Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So hello everyone. Today I wanna show you guys the basic configuration. So there is 5 steps on basic configuration, and then I will show you guys the steps. So the first, you guys have to download the Winbox application, and then if you have the Winbox application, and you can just start the configuration. So first, you can go to the settings to configure your laptop's IP. So first, go to the network and internet, and then after you go to the network and internet, go to the Ethernet, and then after that, click the edit button, and then so you guys can follow these settings. So you guys have to change the automatic to manual, and then change the IP4 to on, and then for the IP address is 10 3 times and then 2, and then for the subnet mask is 255 3 times and 0, and then after subnet mask there is gateway, so it is 10 3 times and 1, and then there is preferred DNS 8 3 4 times, and then if you done setting the settings, click the save button, and then the next we are going to uh, setting the next, that is the IP address in for the router. So so go to the IP and then go to the address list, and then when you click the address list, it's empty, so you guys have to add a new. Then if you add new, the set you can guys follow the settings, and then change the address to 10, like this, and then the network 10 3 times and 0, and then for the interface you can just if you plug your cable to the Ether 2, you guys can choose the Ether 2. If you plug in the cable to Ether 1, you guys can plug the into Ether 1. In here I plug into the Ether 2, so I choose the Ether 2. And then if done, just click the apply button and click OK. So so the this configuration of laptop and IP router is for making the identity of IP address. And then the next we are going to setting the DHCP, I mean wireless. So after you done adding address list, you guys can go to the wireless, and then go to the Wi-Fi interfaces, and then in here you guys should see the WLAN 1, and then if you guys see the WLAN 1, so in here setting the WLAN 1 name to WLAN 1, and then after that you guys can follow the settings. So in here there are 1500 two times and 1600, and then for the MAC address you guys can follow your your router MAC address, and then if you and then the next change it to be enabled, and then for the wireless, so you can setting the wireless to station, and then the band, and then the SSID, and then the security profile. So the next is we go to the security profile. So in here you can click the add new, and and then setting the name. So the name is uh, is up to you. So you can setting the name whatever the name. So in here I give the name aman aja, and then the mode is dynamic keys, and then the authentication types is turn on all, and then turn off these two, that is tag key IP. And then in here you can input the Wi-Fi's password. So you have to have Wi-Fi, and then input the password to the WPA pre-shared key, and then click OK. So and then the next is the DHCP client. So in here, so there should be a WLAN one. So you guys can click the new button, and then and then add the interface to WLAN one, and then turn on these two settings and click yes. And then for the IP address, you can input the IP address from the addresses list in here, and then the gateway, and then this one. And then after you done setting the HCP client, you guys can go to the IP, and then go to the firewall. So in here we are going to add new in the NAT. So click the new button, and then follow these settings, and then for the chain is SRC NAT, and then for the out interface is the WLAN one, and then go to the action, and then choose the mask pirate, and then if done just click apply, and then OK. And then for the last step, that is DNS configuration. So this DNS is for translating a domain name through Wi-Fi, and then DNS, and then for the server is this. You can follow the settings, and then for the dynamic server is from the IP address, and then after you done, and then after done, uh, then maybe that is all from me, and thank you for listening, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.